What's up guys, welcome to a new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to quickly make a material glow. It's gonna be a very easy build to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so first I'm gonna go ahead and create my material. So I'm gonna just right click in the content browser, go into material, then let me just call this m_glow for example. So let's just open this up. So now if I hold 3 and then left click, I can put a color. So for example, I can just plug this into the base color, double click, put this for example, let's say green, and now you will see, well, if I put it green of course and put it off like this, in some seconds the material is green. So if I were to apply this and add, for example, let's just add a sphere into the scene, just drag my material into it, this sphere is of course green. So now how can we make it so that it will glow? Well, what we can do is basically plug something into the emissive color. Basically the emissive color will just, like it says in the description, make the material appear to glow. So what we can do is literally just go ahead and plug the same color into the emissive color. Now you will see in here that it will start to glow. And if we go here, you can see that it did something. It's like basically a bit glowing. You can see it's more reflecting in the bottom and in darker areas even more, but still maybe it's not too much. So we can do a thing, and let's go and get this and multiply it by a value, and I'll plug that back into the emissive color. So for example, we can multiply by 2 and it should be the double, or maybe by 5 and it should be way more. So now if I were to compile, you can see that now it's glowing way more. As you can see, look at this. Now there's also the option to just go ahead and just putting basically just a value, okay? Just put a value, but of course this will not have the color of your base color. So maybe if you put it too much, if you just put, for example, a bit, it will be okay, well, kind of. It will still take away the color, right? So what you want to do is go ahead and use this method of plugging in your color, but through a multiplier node, so you can increase the intensity, or you can go the other way around and of course decrease it. So this is up to you. So that's it guys. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, I would really appreciate you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, so go ahead and check them out. Join my Discord server, and now just with all that said, bye bye.